The STR extension is typically a PlayStation Video FMV or a dBASE table structure. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you determine if you're watching a retro game cinematic or managing a legacy database schema. Quick sidebar. For future protection, I urge you to look into a quality universal file opener. This type of program is crucial for recovering STR files with corrupted internal metadata. The STR file extension has multiple associations. Primarily, it's used for video files on PlayStation consoles, containing video and audio data for cutscenes or in-game cinematics. Additionally, .str files are associated with dBASE database systems, where they store structured data or program instructions. The context of the file determines its specific function and the software required to open it. PlayStation STR files typically use a proprietary video and audio encoding format optimized for the console's hardware. dBASE .str files contain structured data or program code written in the dBASE language. The internal structure varies depending on the specific application and version of dBASE used to create the file. These files are often essential for the proper functioning of games or database applications. The proper file association links STR directly to the dBASE solution by dBASE, LLC. The file's non-standard data blocks prevent Windows from viewing the internal content. Windows provides only superficial insight, so understanding the data requires the correct software. Your first move is to test all possible decoders. Right-click your STR file and choose Open With. Use dBASE if it is installed. If it's missing, select another program. Testing is the fastest diagnostic method. Let's systematically test the most common failure points to isolate the issue with your STR file. First, use a media player. Try opening the .str file with VLC Media Player, which can decode many legacy console video formats. Next, use a PlayStation emulator. Load the file into a PlayStation emulator, like EPSXE, to play the video as it was intended on the original console. Finally, convert to MP4. Use a video conversion tool like Handbrake or FFmpeg to change the .str file into a modern, playable format like MP4. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out filemagic.com to download now. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.